there, my name is Alex Hawkins and I'm an outreach specialist, and this is our Library Learning Commons, or LLC. The LLC provides learning and academic resource support for all Fanshawe students. It starts with our preparatory sessions for incoming students, as well as ongoing math, research, and writing workshops throughout the year. Did you know you can access the library from anywhere? Thanks to our Ask On virtual chat or our fanshawelibrary.com website, the LLC services are available to all Fanshawe students studying at any campus. You have databases, ebooks, and online streaming video at your fingertips anytime, plus thousands of digital resources to help you complete your assignments. You also have access to materials at other institutions through our interlibrary loan partnerships. If it gets overwhelming, we also offer help understanding it all, with online guides and specialized in-person research assistance, as well as important workshops that cover researching, citation styles, and more. It's our goal to make you academically successful. That's why we offer tips, workshops, and in-class sessions on academic integrity and copyright. It's also why the LLC includes services for mature students and anyone looking to improve their study skills. Plus, we offer an accessibility lab dedicated to adaptive technology for students who need specific accommodations for learning challenges or physical restrictions. Obviously, we still have plenty of our most popular print books too, for those who need and like those types of resources. That's not all. Our on-campus facilities include group and personal study spaces, message boards, exciting displays and contests that change regularly, and even a 3D printer. Supporting your learning and research needs from orientation to graduation and beyond, we're here for you.